Hello, how's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am hosting a challenge. It's called Upcycle Your Stash, and what I have asked everyone to do, along with my beautiful friend Robin, of all things look, she's hosting the challenge with me. We have asked everyone to shop their stash and create some type of home decor. Since we're in this social isolation, of course we don't want you to go out and buy home decor, but if you want to change up some things, just use something you already have. So I had these canisters I picked up for 25 cents. Yes, 25 cents. Regularly $4 from Dollar General. This was the after Christmas sale, so I'm gonna upcycle these, and they have that glossy finish. So what I did is went ahead, took this apple barrel matte acrylic paint and went ahead and gave it a coat to cover up the dash and the red top. So that's what I've done here, and I think I'm gonna do it to the other ones. I think I'm just gonna leave them just plain white, just some simple to use as decor. So stay tuned to see how they turn out. Decor that I came up with when I upcycled this canister that I picked up from the Dollar General. I like that it's not all glossy and it's kind of has a rustic look to it, because I'm going for that little farmhouse feel in this video. Even though farmhouse is not my decor of choice, I just thought this would be appropriate because of the finish on this vase, and I like it, so I just styled it like this. Just added 2 florals, and I bless our home sign, and I got my scale that I DIY using all Dollar Tree items. I'll link that video. And this is it. This is my vignette. I want to go ahead and thank everyone who participated in the Upcycle Your Stash 2020 challenge, and I most definitely want to thank the beautiful Robin over at All Things Looks for co-hosting this with me. So, you know, my channel is all about saving money, so take something that you already have and just upcycle it for more decor in your home. Because over here on Mrs Vee's channel, we're paying off debt, so we're not going to go buy new decor every time we want something new. So that's my mission on this channel, is to show you how to utilize items you already have at home and just change it up a little bit. You'll be amazed what a little paint would do, because you remember this canister had the word dash written in red, and I have since covered that up. So that's it. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.